Hey guys, today we're going to continue talking about the elements of art, and we're going to talk about space. So space is the distance in or around or in between the subjects in your artwork. Today we're going to talk about a specific type of space, which is called foreshortening. Foreshortening is when you show an object being closer than it actually is, or having depth from a certain perspective. So here's some examples. In this drawing, the artist made the hands look bigger than the rest of the body. That's called foreshortening. They're not actually bigger, but that's just how the artist made it. In this picture, if you notice, the stairs at the bottom, because they're closer to you, they appear bigger. But they're really not. If you were there, they would be all the same size. In this picture, the closer part of the road looks bigger, and as it goes back, it gets smaller. That is another example of foreshortening. Now it's time to draw our own picture. So the first thing you're going to draw is a curvy line going from one end of your paper to the other. You want to kind of have it near the bottom. Now I'm going to draw some trees, and these trees are going to be pretty big. So you want to make them about the same size that I did. And you can draw your trees however you like. They don't have to look just like mine. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to draw another curvy line. And these are going to be hills. So we're drawing a landscape. So we're going to draw the hills, and I'm going to draw another hill. So it looks like those hills are actually behind the hill that I drew with the trees on it. Now I'm going to draw another tree. And this tree is going to be a lot smaller because it's supposed to be in the background. It's supposed to be far away. And when things are far away, they typically appear smaller. Now I'm gonna draw a sunset. So I'm gonna draw my sun, and then I'm gonna draw some rays coming out. But you can add whatever you'd like in your picture. It's up to you. Maybe you want to draw some animals. Maybe you want to draw yourself in the picture. Maybe you want to add a little house in the background. It's totally up to you. Just remember that the subjects in the front of your picture, so the trees that I drew in the front and anything that you draw in the front of your picture at the bottom is gonna be a little bit bigger than the things that are in the background because we want to show that they're further away. We want to show that foreshortening in your picture. Now I'm just going to draw some grass, some little wavy lines to show texture. Now I'm going to color in, and I'm going to color in using markers and crayons, but it's up to you what you want to use. You can use markers, crayons, colored pencils. It's up to you. The choice is yours. And I just fast forwarded to show you guys my colored in landscape drawing. And that is how you show foreshortening in a landscape drawing. Take care, guys. We'll see you next time.